welcome you to the Master Wong Wing Chun training, the Chum Kiu training. I welcome you to this course onto the Chum Kiu. My name is Master Wong. I am your tutor. I'm the founder of the Master Wong Wing Chun training. On this journey, I will be in here to helping you, to show you every step of the way to get you the basic understanding onto the Chum Kiu side. So on the Chum Kiu side, you will learn a lot of different things on it to give you the idea of understanding of the Wing Chun training. This Wing Chun training is designed for 21st century. It's designed for the close quarter. As you progress, you will see a lot of different understanding. In this Chum Kiu level 2, there have 5 modules. You need to understand this, 5 modules. This is a foundation module to get you to understanding the basic. Then you got the second module. It's a self-defense, really designed for self-defense, designed to dealing with certain things come at you. You need to know how to deal with them at once. Okay, designed for self-defense. Then you got another module into a fitness training to get yourself fit and strong to be able to using all the technique you're learning to make you understanding of the Chum Kiu side. So a lot of training into the club, a lot of this kind of movement, a lot of fitness to make sure you're fit and strong. Then you got another module is into the street fight. So we're dealing in the street side, a different kind of environment you're in. The training is different, so it's not in the normal convention lesson. So you can see so many things outside, the dangerous surrounding, all sort of things that will help you to make sure your training is up to the standard. And then you got recovery module that is helping you when you get injured, breathing, learning the basic Qi Kung training, basic of the Wing Chun side, helping you to get yourself recovery, eating, sleeping, this kind of thing. Okay, so this is why you got to understand each one properly. Not on this particular one here, mainly we concentrate on a lot is learning to get you understanding the fundamental thing into the Chum Kiu side, to helping you to understand. So when you progress on each module, it's become a lot more easier. So your learning curve getting more and more less when you progress on. So this is the main one to get all the tools that required for you to be able to getting on with your training. And as always, onto this training on Udemy. If you got any question on the training side, I'll be right there for you to comment on the Udemy's comment and ask me. I'll be right there to helping you, to support you, to make sure you're learning everything you need to learn in this kind of training there. If you're ready and you're understanding the basic understanding as the welcome to the Chum Kiu side, then I will see you onto the lesson.